Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to another episode of Tina Tries It. In today's episode, I'll be trying out the new Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. If you haven't already, make sure you click subscribe below to stay updated with future videos. This is the new Benefit Bad Girl Bang Volumizing Mascara. It's smudge-proof, flake-free, and water-resistant. Apparently this mascara contains aeroparticles, which is one of the lightest known materials and is used in astronaut spacesuits. So I guess the idea behind this is that it's not supposed to weigh your lashes down, it's supposed to lift them up, it's lightweight, it gives volume and length to your lashes, and the bristle on the brushes are much smaller. And apparently the brush contains over 300 little bristles. So that's a lot, right? The mascara comes in two sizes, the full size and the mini size. Both have the same brush, but the packaging looks slightly different. Okay, so enough talking from me. Let's try it out on my tiny lashes. So I've already curled my lashes. I don't know if you can really tell, there's really not much there. So this will be a really good test for this mascara. I'm going to test this mascara out on this eye. I'm actually going to start off with my lower lashes first and then do my top lashes. That way it doesn't smudge when I do it the other way around. Okay, I'm just going to do one coat first. Ooh, that was quick. That was literally just a few swipes and you can already see the difference. This outer corner. I am pretty impressed. It's really quick and easy to build up the length. You don't really have to go in a lot of times to get this length. The brush itself isn't the smallest brush I've ever used, but I think it works fine for your lower lashes because you can just use it this way, like a pencil almost, and just kind of run it through your lower lashes. And you can get into those hard to reach areas, like the corners. Let's try it on my top lashes. Gonna give it a little bit of a wiggle. I hope it holds my curl because a lot of mascaras tend to be a little bit too heavy and then my lashes go straight again. So far it's not clumpy. It does really separate all my lashes, which I like. And it definitely adds length and volume. Here is the results after one coat. I feel like it doesn't really hold my curl very well. It's sort of dropped a little bit compared to my other mascaras. I tend to go for waterproof mascaras because it holds the curl better. This is water resistant, so I wouldn't say it's like waterproof, so maybe that's why it's kind of like dropped my curl a little bit. However, I do really like it on my lower lashes. I feel like it's really fan them out and I get that length that I like. You can see the difference when I close. It definitely adds length. However, I just need something that holds my curl up a little bit better. Otherwise, you really can't see my lashes that much. I'm going to go in with a second coat. Whoa. That's coat number 2 on my lashes. It definitely added more length. I'm not sure if I like it though because I feel like it's starting to stick together a little bit more and starting to look a little bit spidery, so I think I would just normally stick with like one coat. I think that just looks better on my little lashes. I'm going to quickly do my other eye. I am impressed. I actually really like this mascara on my lower lashes. Whoa. Here's a comparison between one coat and 2 coats. 2 coats, you can see that when I look down, my lashes look longer. You can't really see a big difference when I look forward because my lashes are sort of like dropping. Had they been like super curled up and permed or something, I think you can see the length a lot more. So here's a before and after image of my lashes. You can see the big difference here. It's definitely added length, volume, especially to my lower lashes. The only thing I wish it did was hold the curl a little bit better. I feel like it did make my lashes drop slightly. And with my eyes, I need to have my lashes curled to be able to sort of like see a big difference. If you already have naturally curled lashes, I think this mascara would work amazing on your eyes. If you don't and you're like me and they're naturally straight, what you could do is go in with a heated lash curler after to sort of bring that curl back up. In terms of how my lashes feel, I honestly don't feel like I have anything on. It's not sticky or tacky. Sometimes my lower lashes feel a little bit stiff when I put like a lot of mascara on them, but in this case, I don't really feel anything. So I do agree that it's super lightweight. The formula is really good. The brush, because there's so many bristles on it, I feel like it just helps create that volume and length pretty much instantly. You don't need to work hard and work the product in too much. You get that length after a few swipes. I actually quite like this mascara. I'm really surprised because I didn't really like their other mascaras. I didn't feel like it really worked for my lashes. However, this new formula, I feel like it does wonders. So in saying that, I'm gonna rate this an 8 out of 10, which is pretty high. I hope they come out with like a waterproof formula, not a water resistant. So then hopefully it will like hold my curls a little bit better. But yeah, overall, it's a really good mascara. You guys should check it out. I think it's available in stores now for $24 US for the full size. I'm not too sure about the mini size though. Anyways, that's it to this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye.